Welcome to all. Student, have you heard the name Tenali Raman? Now, I will give you more information about Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was one of the 9 Ratnas of great King Krishna Dev Rai of Vijayanagar. Tenali Raman was most intelligent and smart person in the Vijayanagar Empire. He used to give proper explanation in a funny way. Now, today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson. Lesson number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. Student, this is one of the skit. Skit means, the meaning of skit is a small and funny drama. Now, in this skit, Raman gives a funny explanation of why there was nothing in his picture. Now, I will read this lesson. You all put your finger there and read after me. Tenali Raman is standing in front of a drawing board. Messenger: Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you. Raman: Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy. Messenger goes away. King walks in. Raman: I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Raman: Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. King: I see. We would like to see the picture. Raman: Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. King: Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. Raman: I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. Loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Raman: that's because the cow ate it up. King: And where's the cow? Raman: After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. King: Ha ha ha. Raman: You always make me laugh. Now student, I will explain the meaning of one by one. Here, the meaning of messenger is, messenger means, see here, a person who brings a message, who gives you the message, it's called a messenger. Now, here we will see that the conversation between messenger, Raman and king. Okay. Now let's see one by one. Messenger: Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you. Give underline here. Wants you means, see here, wants you means calling you. Here the messenger gives the message to Tenali Raman that, Sir, king wants you. King was calling you. Raman: Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy. See here, the meaning of disturb, interrupt. When you interrupt someone, it's called disturb. When you are very busy to doing your work, that time you are never like anyone come and interrupt you, anyone disturb you. It is the meaning of disturb. Now, what happened here? Raman saying here, don't disturb me, I am very busy. Then messenger goes away. King walks in. Raman: I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Raman: Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. Okay. Raman give the explanation. King: I am not coming there because of I am busy to draw a picture. King: I see. We would like to see the picture. Okay, you are busy with your drawing, with your picture. Now please show me the picture. Raman: Here, Your Majesty. This is my picture. Okay. Look at here in this picture also. Raman show the empty board. Okay. The empty board to the king. And he explained here, I am busy to draw a picture here. Okay. Now, Raman: Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. King: Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. Now, king was very confused when he saw this picture. You are not drawing anything here and you give me explanation that I am busy to draw a picture. Okay, now Please explain me what you drawn here. What you draw here? Raman, I was drawing a cow. A cow eating lots of grass. The meaning of lots of grass means large amount of grass. It is a large amount of grass. Now, the Raman give the explanation here. I was drawing a cow. I was drawing a picture of cow. A picture of lots of grass. King, lots of grass. I can't see any grass here. Arey Raman, nothing is here. What you are giving me the explanation? Nothing is here, and you are giving me explanation that I am drawing the picture of cow and lots of grass. Where's the picture? I can't see it. Now, lots of grass. I can't see any grass here. Raman, that's because the cow ate it up. Okay. Now Raman give here funny explanation. King, you are not able to see this picture because I draw the picture of cow here, and with the picture of cow I draw the picture of grass, and you know cow eat the grass. Okay. King, and where's the cow? Okay, now give me explanation. Where's the cow? Raman again giving here the funny explanation. After eating all the grass, the cow walk away, Your Majesty. How it is possible, King? Cow stay here. After eating the grass, cow also walk away. King, ha ha ha. Raman, you always make me laugh. King again very happy to listen the explanation about the Raman's picture. Okay. Now student, this is very funny drama. Okay. You enjoy whenever you read this lesson, you also read as it is. Okay. You also imagine these characters and read this lesson aloud. This is your homework. Read this lesson aloud at home, and whenever you read it, only check out your proper tune, proper tone. Okay. The tone of messenger, the tone of Raman, the king, and enjoy whenever you read this lesson. Now student, see here some opposite words from this lesson. First one is here busy. The opposite word of busy is idle. Busy, idle. Second one, laugh. The opposite word of laugh is cry. Laugh, cry. Now we are seeing here the meaning of messenger. A person who brings message. Just like this, some more names I will write here. Observe here. Name the following. A person who gives a message, it's called messenger. A person who gives a message, messenger. Second one, a person who works, it's called worker. A person who works, worker. A person who dances, dancer. A person who dances, dancer. A person who teaches, just like me, teacher. A person who teaches, teacher. Okay student. Now your homework. Write down these new words. Okay. 5 times in your notebook, English notebook. And write down these opposite words and learn it 5 times in your notebook. And also write down, name the following 5 times in your notebook. Not only write, whenever you write, read and write. Learn it properly by heart. Okay student. Now student, we are going with this exercise. Okay, in your textbook some questions is given here. Read the skit aloud. This is your homework first of all. Afterwards, answer the following question. First one is there. What did the king see on Raman's board? Is it anything is there in Raman's board? The answer is there. The king did not see anything on Raman's board. Again, the king did not see anything on Raman's board. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? Answer is there. No. Raman had not drawn a cow eating grass. C1 is there. Can a cow walk away from a picture? No. A cow cannot walk away from a picture. Okay. Now student, this is your homework. Whatever I am going to teach you today, you all recall it, you all read it properly and write down this answer in your notebook. And very important student, wash your hands frequently. Okay, this is very important for you. Thank you.